Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be a short video. I am refreshing one of my desk drawers. It's a mess, and so we're going to take care of that today. So if you want to see how I clean it up, clean it out, and refresh it, stick around. So come on in and let's get organizing. Do you know why I hate junk drawers? Because they end up looking like this. No matter how you try to keep a junk drawer neat, at least in my life, it ends up like this. And this is why I do not call drawers junk drawers. Now, I tried organizing this a few years back. As you can see, there are containers in there. They're red, not my chosen color anymore. That's not the point. And they just get all bogged down with junk. So today, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take everything out. And I'm going to try to arrange it so that it's no longer a junk drawer, that it's just a drawer in my file cabinet. And I say that maybe the terminology matters because if you look at this drawer, now I arranged all of these file cabinets at the same time. It's still neat. Everything is still in place. But when it comes to a catch-all drawer, it doesn't seem to stay that way. But we're going to try again. So right now I'm going to pull everything out and I'm going to see if I can do something a little differently. I don't have a lot of storage space, and so what you do when you don't have a lot of storage space is you try to use what you have effectively. So I'm going to see if I can effectively do something here, like maybe the paper clips in the blue and the rubber band in the yellow could go into different types of containers and maybe sit on top of the desk. And as I say that, I'm looking around, and the only problem with that is my desk is also my crafting space. So I try not to keep it cluttered. I mean, my Cricut sits on it, and then I have my two laptops, and so this is where I sit to work, to write, to edit, to pay bills, all of that stuff. But this is also where I paint and decoupage and all of that stuff as well. So it has to serve several purposes. So I try not to clutter the top of it. So we're going to see what we can do about this today. This one drawer, we're going to try and fix it. So come on in and let's get rid of some junk.
Summer days they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. change their colors. You will break my heart just once again. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could slow time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time. Wish I could slow down. Wish I could stop time.
Guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. It's just a quick little inspiration to do small things in your house while we're all confined. Just little things like this drawer I'm doing today. Makes me feel better. It takes my mind off what's going on and it puts me at ease, relieves some of that anxiety. And if you're feeling a little anxiety as well, try this and it may help you. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below. And once you hit the subscribe button, also hit that bell. This is a lifestyle channel and we do things over here like decorating, cleaning, organization, cooking, excuse me, crafts, upcycling, a little bit of it all. Anything to make your space comfy and cozy. That's our goal, to share and to inspire. So I hope that you're enjoying this. And right now I'm going to let you go back to the music. But again, I want you to know that I'm praying for each and every one of you. I'm hoping that you're all safe with your families and healthy. Please, please stay well and find something that makes you happy, that brings you joy. That'll help us get through this a lot faster and a lot better.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile.
Friends, it's that time, so I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with hugs, blessings, and lots of love. Please be well and find something that brings you joy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.